Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to be doing Postman by Hack the Box. It's an easy Linux box. I did this box a few days ago, so I want to do it again for the YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. So before we even begin, we want to start off by making three directories. One for Nmap output, one if I want to host something to the target, and I mean get it from the target to and from the target. Yeah, okay. And VPN. This is to connect to Hack the Box's network. So we want the open VPN file. I'm gonna see if my server is up. It is. So let's just what? Okay. Let's just get the file. I don't know what the file name is called. Even if I do, I don't wanna type it. Here you go. So we can just get that. Okay, let's connect to Hack the Box. Let's see. Yep, we're good to go. Before we even get started, I wanna tell you guys how I work. I guess workflow, because that's important. I use copy clip for clipboard. Easily copy paste commands, images, whatever you want. And for note taking, we're gonna be. I love Obsidian. It's perfect for note management. You can create subdirectories and directories just like a real folder. So yeah, that's great. Anyways, so and the IP of the target. Let's write down important stuff first. 2.1. I think I got the same IP last time. Let's see. See, yeah. See what you mean? What I mean by the clipboard. You can just copy paste IP and stuff. Come on. Wow, that's a lot of. Anyways, let's see what ports are open first. Wow. Okay, I did get the same thing last time. Okay then. This is gonna scan all ports quickly. In a real environment, I wouldn't recommend this because you'd have CMs, idea, IPSs, IDSs. Yeah, you don't wanna create noise in the network. Anyways, so we have 4 ports open, 10,000 a Redis server, HTTP server, and SSH. Okay, let's copy this in our. I'm sorry, I'm just habituated to Mac commands because that's what I use during the day. Okay then. So let's do a deep scan of these set ports. What's that? SSH, HTTP, the Redis server, 10,000. When I was doing this box, I didn't know what Redis server was. Anyways, let me explain the syntax by the way. This does a script scan. This does a service scan. This does host scan, how much of it can, and this is in very verbose mode. And then let's save the output to Nmap and let's call it Postman detailed scan. Yep, we didn't give it the IP. Let's give it the IP. Everything looks right. Let's go. If Nmap scan takes a lot of time, I'm just gonna skip ahead. Let's see. We're back. It took like 3 minutes, and I even upgraded the output resolution of OBS to 4K. This until now it was 1080p. Now it's 4K. Yeah, my bad. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what do we have over here. Okay, OpenSSH 7.6. This is secure. On 22 expected. SSH cert, and then what's this? HTTP server. Okay, it's an Apache 2.4.29. That's pretty safe, I think. Let's see, do we get a title? No. And then Redis server, it's version this. Yeah. Okay, this is the intended way, by the way. And then 10,000 TCP. That's I mean, this is a HTTP server, and it's running a Webmin app. Okay. And it's a Linux box. Okay, there's a robots.txt. Fine, let's copy this into our notes first. And remember, the way I enumerate stuff is BFS, or breadth first search. Okay. HTTP. Where do we start? I say we look at the HTTP first. The way I did it was I'm just gonna do the way I did. I don't wanna go through it blind again. I mean, it's already over here. Oops. Okay. Let's see. What's the IP? Port 80. Let's see. Looks like a decent website. So it says 2019. So maybe the vulnerabilities are from 2019, which it just makes sense, right? Okay. Let's see. Robots.txt. What do we get? Nothing. Okay. Let's look at the code. This JavaScript. This is JavaScript directory. What else? I do have one sec. I have this thing. Details. Yeah, I don't care about this browser, dude. This thing, it's just how the hell do you enable? I mean, I have this extension. It's pretty nice. WApp Analyzer. It just gives you an overview of what the web stack. I mean, the stack is. It's a pretty decent nifty access thing. So not access. It's information thing. Site settings. I don't know. I mean, you can just do a WApp Analyzer. Maybe. Oh yeah. Just manage extension. Oh shit. This is why UI sucks. CLI for the win. Anyways, if you look at okay. Oh come on. Yeah. So it's okay. It's a Perl web server. Wait, no, that's Apache. Maybe the web app. Webmin. Let's see. We have to look up what this is. Ubuntu. HTTP jQuery. Okay, fine. Let's wanna go buster on this. Let's keep that running. Oh well, would you look at that? Okay, while that happens, maybe we can look at the port 10,000. Okay, we're getting a redirect. I just wanna see how that looks in. Document follows. Shit. Print body. Okay. Well. Okay. So it's not actively redirecting, it's just telling us to go that way. Cool. Oh shit. It's Webmin. Always, you always have to check it's rules. You have to. This is hacking 101. Okay, no, that didn't work. So let's see what do we have with Redis, because Redis. I didn't know what this was, as I said while starting off this. Come on. Okay. Redis is an in-memory key value. So it's basically a database kind of service, which is in memory. No touch to disk. I mean, not in the traditional sense, and it's faster because it resides entirely in the memory and dictionary type database. Fine. I mean, that's what I get from key value database anyways. Okay, let's see. I mean, if it's a database, so something like a database, I mean, you can think of it like something you can query to and from. So yeah, let's look at it's sometimes tricky to spell, you know. Okay, let's see, because the box is from 2019, we can look at stuff from 2019, I guess. Let's start with memory corruption. Let's see, what do we have? 7.2, 7.2, okay. Maybe let's check out Snake. Okay, I'm not sure if there's a CV. I mean, let's just not break the fourth wall. Um, let's just, because the video is also supposed to show how I think or how one is supposed to think. Methodology. Let's see. So maybe let's see Redis pen testing. Okay. Do we have Redis? Yep, we do. So okay. Oh, here it does. Okay, we do get info. Let's see. Yep, 4.0.9, and then okay, it's x86-64 machine. Nothing useful, I guess. And then dumping database. Okay. Without grids. Maybe let's try this. I didn't get anything. Okay, get one. Nil. Okay, cool. Find nothing from Redis, I guess. And remember from the Nmap scan, we also let's check it GoBuster, by the way. Images uploader. Okay. Let's take a look at them. Nothing over there. JS. Okay. I guess pretty much nothing. Didn't work. We do admin password. Yeah, no. Let's look for Webmin default login. Okay, it generates on its own. Fine. So we need grids for this. We know the Webmin version for this. What was it? See, if we always do breadth first search, let's get the low hanging fruits first. Okay, let's get this. Oh, we get something. Exploits arbitrary command execution. Okay, that's good news. Webmin and lower. Any user. Oh, okay. So we need auth. We need authentication for this to work. We can confirm this by going down. In this Metasploit module, you'll see it's true. So you need login for that. So this is a no-go. So there's no wall here. So let's check out Redis. Just 4.0.9. I mean, you always go with vulnerability and then go with exploit, right? Let's see. And yeah, remember we had this thing. It says 2019 over here, so most probably the vulnerabilities and exploits will be from 2019. So you can think of it that way. Okay, so CV details. Let's go to 2019. Let's see what do we have. 7.2, 7.2. This means we need authentication. Okay, there's nothing over here. I don't think so. And then nope. Security advisory. No, this is 2025. This is too late for it. Okay. I don't think I'm getting any no direct vulnerabilities have been found in this. Okay, I don't think there's any vulnerabilities over here. Oh my god, okay. Let's see what this is. Original author. Oh, what's this? Misconfigured Redis. Okay, so maybe there can be misconfigs. Let's see what this does. It's generating SSH RSA key. I mean RSA public private key. Okay, pin set, and then it. Okay, it's copying the public key to public key.txt and then Redis CLI plus flush all. Okay. Okay. I don't know what this does, but and then the operating system it does. Okay, pipes out the public key to Redis CLI to this IP address. Okay. Okay, so I think it's basically writing to where this is public key, and maybe you can like SSH using the private key you generated. Maybe. Let's check this out. Do we have an URL for this? Okay, let's put this up. It is. I wanna be sure of what I'm doing. I don't wanna blindly do something unless you're sure, right? Oh, okay. See, look at this. Common pen testing technique. Oh, sounds juicy. Format the public key. Okay. Redis server. Save the configuration. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's do this. I don't think this is going to be any useful. So let's clear the screen so we can do SSH keygen, an RSA key, call it what? idrc.pub. Okay. Let's just use a script. Script.sh. Okay. Oh, user in Python. Okay. Come on. Oh, it needs argument in this format. Okay. Script. Okay. IP address is what? I don't have time to do this. I'm just gonna copy what they did. SSH. Okay, we need to add new lines to it. New line, and then you do. I don't care. It's fine. Okay. Oh, oh my god, okay. Okay, fine. So we can do. I messed up. I'm sorry. Cut. All this needs to be cut. Okay, coming back. I just messed up the command a bit. Anyways, this is my command. Okay, so we added new lines at the beginning and the end, and we do what? just okay, fine. So we do that, and we pipe it to Redis CLI host, and then what do we do? IP address. Okay. And then we do Redis CLI. Okay. Oh, my bad. Okay. And then we do command one. Oh, it just means this Redis CLI. And this command is gonna be the bane of my existence, isn't it? Okay, we can do config set. Okay. Authorize the keys. Okay, and when we do save, it'll get chilled in some time. What is command 4, 5, and 6? What? Oh, it's just SSHing back. Okay, let's see. SSH ID RSA, and then what's the username? What's the username? Good question. Yeah, good question. Oh, I mean the user, if the key is in .ssh of someone's folder, this is, so it's going to be Redis. So I hope so. Oh yes, yep. I mean I knew it's going to happen, but I needed a logical conclusion to get there. Okay, who am I? Redis ls. Okay, we have a bunch of shared objects. LSLA cat. Okay, we do get some other users. So let's make a new directory. Privesc. So we know the user is mad. Discovered users are Redis and Mac. Remember, it's user specific. I mean, case specific. So there was an ID rsa.back. Maybe we can look for this. Contab L. Okay, let's see. this, and let's see how many users are there. I like to search like this, so there's only Matt and, well, Redis. Okay, where are we working again? Wow, okay, let's see. Oh, there's a interesting file. Let's see if we can read it. We can. Webmin. This tells something about Webmin. Looking at it, I don't see anything interesting except the version. Okay. Wait, did I miss something? Nope. Nope. Anyways, let's check the let's check the home directory. Do we have access to that? Oh, we don't have access to user.txt. We didn't do groups, by the way. Yeah, we're just part of the Redis group. And nope, no user access. No access to SSH. What do we have read access to? Bash logout. Profile, user.txt. We have access to this directory, okay. Excuse me? Oh, I mean, sorry. Just, okay, that's nothing. Let's go to WAV. Let's see what's over here. CD Webmin, huh? Okay. No access to Webmin, so let's check out www. Oh, okay. Let's see if we have any passwords in this. Nothing. Nope. Oh, remember there was a ID, I'll say back something. Yeah, let's look for that. Let's just, after we finish this. Looks like this is the, how do you say it? The web root of the vhost running on port 80. Okay, let's just have a look at it once. Nothing. Now let's look for the file. What was it named again? Wait, I think we didn't look at this. Directory 6.3. Okay, looks like what is it? That's just for data. Okay. There was something in bats directory, right? What was it? Oh no, it was in my directory. idrsa.back. Okay, so we can do find search and root. It's a file type f name id rsa.back all any and all others, pipe it to dev null. Huh. Usually opt is a gold flag. I mean, not a gold flag, but a green flag. Yep, let's see. Can we read this? Yep, we can. What is this? Oh, it's an encrypted RSA private key. So we can just get this and yeah, decrypt this. Okay, let's accept. No, we need a new name for this. Found key dot back. Okay, so we can just do SSH to John. So we can do found RSA key to found key dot hash ls. Okay, let's check this out. Now I can take this to my RTX PC and just crack it on my GPU. So let me just do that. Hey guys, we're back. So I just had some formatting issues with Hashcat. I figured it out, and we get the password. By the way, it's computer 2008. So going back, yeah, we can. So we can SUS map and use computer 2008. Sorry. Yep, we have access as mat, ls, and there we have user.txt. Fine. So let's see bash history. Just in case. Nothing interesting in bash history, by the way. So remember the Webmin folder in WAV? Yeah, we still don't have access. Yeah. Okay. So maybe let's see sudo. Okay, it's computer 2008. Okay, no sudo access. Oh, with the Webmin, we still have. We have Webmin. Remember, we can have. We have credentials, so we can log into Webmin interface using math credentials. So let's see. And 2019 looks like this is just what we need. Data parameter. Okay, let's just test this out first. If we have the guts. Computer 2008 and yep, Webmin. We have access. Cool. We have an exploit DB link. That's nice. Okay, we have a Metasploit module, so we can just search for this. Okay, what does it do to check again? So it does a post request to session CGI endpoint, and then cookie set to this user and this. Okay, maybe we can just send a curl command ourselves. Huh. $10,000, and then we need data, right? No matter how good you are with curl, you always need the man page of this. Trust me. Where's data? Post data. Okay, we need post, by the way. So again, we have cookie 2. So let's okay, and then data is, well, data, right? What format does it want? Curl, okay. So so having this as a reference, we can do user equals what's the name? Mat. We need to ignore TLS. So let's see. I just did that. Excuse me, I'm just telling you not to. Fine, I give up. I mean, it does support the check function, so that's good. So we can just search for Webmin. I mean, the Metasploit modules has a check function, check feature, more like, so you don't have to worry about crashing something. $2019, yep. Let's see, set password, computer 2008, okay. set as, okay, don't you, okay. Oh, it wanted us to use SSL. Okay, so I think the mistake we made was, there's no way to go back now. Anyways, okay, let me just do it. So curl post HTTP yes 10,000 session. I'm sorry, let me just, okay, bad host name. Okay, leave it. SSL to set username mat check. Yep, it is vulnerable, so let's just run it. Okay. Okay, we're getting staging. So exploit was successful. Now the payload is being staged and we're gonna get a shell soon. Did we get a shell soon? Oh, it's Alice. Hey, print working directory. Who am I? Yep, there you go. cd root. Okay. Do we see a root.txt? Okay. This is weird. Maybe find type of root.txt. There you go. Yep, that's it. GG's. Rooted. Pond. Thank you for watching. This was quite an easy and straightforward box, but it's been a while since I did this box, so I was a bit rusty, and then formatting issues with Hashcat threw me off my game. Well, anyways, thanks for watching once again. Take care.